Hi, my name is Dr. Erin with the Rejuvenate Life app, rejuvenate-life.com. It's important what you do with your dash. There is one other thing that I did for working on healing my gut and working on just overall body health, which was with the wisdom teeth area. So I actually only had 2 wisdom teeth, and I had wisdom teeth surgery. Oh, and the doctor, I said, look, a lot of times I don't respond to the just sleepy time stuff. I was awake during my whole colonoscopy. It was fun. Corner. Anyway, when you go through, all these different things with gut healing, we actually have acupuncture meridians or energy points, and a lot of them will hook up to our teeth. We have a lot of nerve endings in our mouth. So I had the wisdom teeth areas can get an infection that can lead to a systemic infection and affect your digestive system. So I had them opened up. I had all the mercury taken out of my mouth as well from my holistic dentist. Had all 4 areas opened up, scraped out if there was any kind of infection, had ozone and my own stem cells put in. I get procaine and ozone injections back into those sites. I did that for like the full year after the procedure, and I get it every 6 months when I go to the dentist now for my routine visits. However, that's not a fun surgery to be awake when you can see them stitching you up. I had to go to a special place. I had to meditate and think about like a fun vacation that I went on or anything, just sing to myself, because it's kind of boring and it's like intense and your mouth is stuck open and you've got this thing in there so it doesn't, you can't bite down and your mouth is just very sore. I actually had been interviewing the next day for a position as like a wellness coordinator for a company. And so I have this chubby face from everything swollen. And so I said, I'm sorry, I look like a chubby chipmunk. And if I'm not talking 100% clearly, I had this procedure yesterday. The original interview was for the day before that. And next time, at least 2 days out, because that was not fun. But I do think that was one of the driving factors to help me settle my gut down. It is a procedure that, like I said, I needed. They did find some infection in there. I actually use just an ozone cream for a lot of stuff. My daughter is actually having some allergic reaction to the metals in her mouth from the orthodontics, and so we use that ozone cream that they give us. But it's fantastic stuff. That surgery was, again, helpful. It was one of the other steps in the whole healing process. So I have, like I said, I've done many different things. I've done cleanses. Anything I've probably tried it. The coffee enemas, the cleanses, the elimination diets. I have a whole chapter in my book on elimination diet, and a section in the app as well. So there's lots of different pieces of things that can go into those puzzle pieces of finding, better health. But I do really feel like that one was good. I'm glad that I did it in the same day, because I don't know if I would have come back for a second experience with that. So I'm glad I just got her done and over with. But that one did require a little leave. And normally I don't. I tried the peppermint oil. I tried, wintergreen or whatever to try to numb the area. I couldn't sleep. So I needed something. So again, I'm not anti-anything. I'm time and a place for everything. So again, I'm Dr. Erin with the Rejuvenate Life app, rejuvenate-life.com. It's important what you do with your dash.